Heart. Wow.
Arte, no, that, not that, pangit.
Wow. Baby Jan. Hello. Maka-sleep.
Hi guys, we're in Okada.
What you're going to do in Okada? Hindi niya alam. Kuya.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Andito na kami.
Nandito na kami sa Okada.
Si Ate Maui tulog na. Ano ba dyan? Nandito na kami. Bababa na kami. Go. Mayroon na ito.
Oh, Okada.
Andito na. Malamig. Here. Kuya, here. Oh, bag check. Here, kuya. Wait, ate. Oh, come here. Come. Okay. Ha? Yay! Picture! Oh, where are you going? Come. Oh, go there. Oh, picture. Go. Come. Go. Here. Oh, go. Picture, kuya. Ate. Oh, what's that? Penguin.
Sila makasilang look.
Look. Oh, look daw siya. What's that?
Snowman.
Snowman. Kila. Reindeer. And how about that one? Who's that? Oh, how about this one?
Maui.
Yeah. Maui. Darren? Check mo dali. Check daw niya. Nandito daw si Darren. Darren. May ano kasi sila, may mga show. Mga celebrity ba? Oo. Bawal mag-video dyan. Dito tayo. Ate. Do you like it? O, go to kuya. Ayaw mag-open. Ayaw mag-open. Pa-open mo kay Toto. Dali. Toto, paano po ito, Toto? Oh, baka masira mo. Vic, open mo nga, Vic. Paano ba yan? Wow, wow daw, oh. Wow. Wow. Ate. Lobat? Na-charge yun eh.
Lobat daw?
Lobat there.
Okay, lobat ka na.
Look, guys. Tabi. Ate.
Ganyan ba si Cog dati?
Katsa.
Ano yun? Ano yung dador? Ano yun?
Andador.
Ay. Kuya, wait. Kuya, yung ano niya, kamay niya.
Wait lang. Yung sinigat. Beb, ayos mo.
Yung kamay niya.
Ayan, what's that? Reindeer. What's that? Egg.
Paano ba yan?
Chilarge ko kagabi eh. Pero gamit yung
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In the Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before as they walk.
Oh, bakit naka... Are you tired? Sleepy? Are you sleepy, ate? Are you sleepy, ate? Why? O, upo mo na siya. Baka naiirita na sa ano niya. Yan, kay kuya. One more, one more. Ito. Piniprepare. Ate, let's... Ate, come here. Oh, sit down na kayo, kuya. Kuya, sit down here. Oh, dito ka, Kuya Chukog. Kasi may camera dito eh. Doon ka, Kuya Chukog. Eat na. Doon ka, Kuya Chukog. Ano yun? Let's eat na. Ano? No. That's ano,
Hi guys, so malapit na sila ito. Nakasama ko si Lawi.
andito yung mic. Juice ko, ate. Oh, baby. Ay.
Rice ko.
Ay.
Kuya, kuya, kuya.
Which one do you like? Ah, the palabok?
Kuya, yes, sorry.
Ah, that's palabok. Oh, okay. Chay, ano mo muna yan? Tabi mo muna yan, Chay. Chay. Walang fries. Yung palabok. Ah,
Salamat.
ito kay ate.
I need rice.
Ha?
I need rice.
There's no rice. Ask daddy. Ay, no.
Ate na lang sila.
Vic, tabi ka dito. Ay, Chay, dito ka. Palit kayo ni Maui. Dali na. Kasi mag-aaway sila ni kuya niya. Come here. Let's go.
Sit down, ya. Sit na.
Oh, sit down natin. Sit down. Yay! Jollibee here! Wow! Kuya, rice here, ah.
Yan, yung gravy ko.
Ang gravy ko. Reserve pala to, eh. Reserve.
Kung ano dito namin?
Sit down natin.
Salamat po.
You're welcome. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat, guys. Which one do you like? Ah, here. Oh, come ate. Oh. Oh, ate. Kuya, you like rice?
Dito sa spoon ko.
Ay, nasa
Kamay
bibi.
naman ako.
No. Nasa ano ka? Nasa public ka. Mahirap maghanap ng ano.
I wish you could touch this today.
Kuya, you like rice? You like rice? Ah, there's no straw.
Hey, Mommy.
There's no straw. Hindi tayo nabigyan ng straw. Sir, wag masyado yung magkalat ha kasi
Do you have baby?
let's eat! Maui's eating chicken! Kuya Mason, Kuya Chukog.
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap. What else do you say? Masarap ang manok.
Ang sarap na chicken joy na Jollibee.
Wow, that's good to know.
Yep.
Are you enjoy, ate? Yes? Oh, wow!
Sabi gravy pa dito.
Kainin nyo lang. Maui's food is chicken and rice. And gravy. You want more gravy? Here. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Ayun.
Dito ate.
Share is scary.
Nasaan yung bag na ano?
Nandito. Baby John!
Do you like it? Or do you like meat?
Okay. Help Kuya Chukog. You help Kuya Chukog and Ate Maui
Lagi sa akin
also.
yan.
Where's Maui?
Coke!
Ha?
Coke sa akin.
Coke sa'yo?
Yung kay Maui.
Okay. Drink ate.
Ano na tita?
Kutsara nila.
Ano yun?
Kutsara nyo eh.
Bakit?
Malinis pa.
Oh,
Kasi kay Baby John eh.
okay. Okay.
Yours, Portugal. Cheese? That's yours, Portugal.
What is that? What is that?
This is Tito.
It's okay, Kuya. Maui's ano? Maui's tea. It's okay. Give me that. Green tea. That's yours.
Yeah, cheese. Uncle.
Cheers. You want Coke? You can share. Eat more, ate. Eat more. Chicken. There's more chicken.
Ang gusto ko dito sa Pinas. Gusto ko sa Pinas. Gusto ko sa Pinas. Sa Jollibee. Ang sarap. Ang sarap dito sa Pinas.
Ay, wow! Shoe game. Ate, wow! Ate, picture! Ate, picture! Ate Maui! Ayan. Kuya, picture? Ayan niya. Jay, ayos, Jay. Nakakamera ka, oh. What? Tip yan, tip. Ate Maui! Ate! Wow, oh, ate, look, oh. Saan? Oh, balikan na lang. Naiwan ng kapatid ko yung drink sa Jollibee, guys. Balikan ko lang. Bili lang din sila ng water. Kagabi, di ko maalala kung i-close ko yung vlog. Ayan, nakuha ko na yung drinks, guys. Dito sa Jollibee. Buti, hindi pa kami nakakalayo. At saka nagdala ako ng extra bag para in case na meron kaming bit-bitin. Ayan. Meron kaming mga tawag niyan. Yung mga knitted na bag or parang tela. Tapos ito yung dito kay na galing naman sa tita ko. Maganda siya. Hindi siya mabigat sa bag kaya maganda siya dalhin anywhere. Every day kung may lakad ka, for example. In case of emergency. Yan. Wow! Where's Maui? Sleepy na? Ay, si Mamita! Dito maraming ano, tita. Okada, maraming vintage. Sa ganyan nakapili si Seiya sa market. But daddy's there. Nice, eh? It's nice, no? Drop a stick. Ask daddy first. Ask daddy first. So there, oh. Oh, take a picture. Here, kuya. Kuya. What have there? Is it dark? Oh, nice.
Wow! Let's go.
Let's go na. Let's go. Wow. Picture,
Ay,
kuya.
maganda po sila sa ano,
Saan?
sa MOA, yung ano,
Marami nga doon eh.
yung candy, ano nga ba yun? Kasi syempre, ayan.
Look at the cam.
Chess.
Oo. Tulog na, May. Oh, let's go na.
Hindi ka na makapasok.
Then, naka-leave naman siya.
Nakalib ka naman.
Hindi naman absent.
Hindi absent.
Yes. Ay! Oh, let's go! Ala, ayaw na bitawan.
Agad ha? Oh, yung phone na.
Kuya, your Rubik's. Ay! Kanya ba yan?
Oh, no, kay kuya yan eh.
Thank you na, thank you. Bye-bye na.
Yung heart ng puto sila. Wow!
You have that one in the house.
Meron siyang ganyan eh.
Meron.
Oh, yung unicorn.
Oh, may unicorn pala eh.
Give it back na, give it back.
Give it back to kuya. That's kuya's. Meron siyang unicorn yan eh.
Labubo.
Dito pala ang ano, kids collection.
Oh, kuya, anong gagawin mo? Dali na, tapos sa vlog. Okay. Okay. You will pay to kuya, oh. You'll get ano, 10. Wait, paano ba yan, kuya? Okay. Oh, sige, insert lang. Insert. Tig 5 kayo, kuya, ha? Tig 5. Oh, 5. Okay. Oh, one machine. Oh, where do you want to play? Okay. Kuya, only one. Kuya, one.
Token eh.
Oh, 2 token.
Lahat 2 token.
Sige, go. Oh. Tabi ka dyan. Ayan na guys, naglalaro na si Kuya Mason. Kuya at si Chel next. I hope you can get it. Oh, Kuya Syukog. Hindi, yan yung nag-ano eh.
Isa malapit lang.
Kuya, wag yan. Ikaw, Chay, doon oh. Dali na. You have to attempt. Pagod. Oh, no. Oh, one more.
Pag-decide na. Hindi ko rin kung ano kung
Down. Si kuya. Ito naman. Wait mo muna siya.
Opo.
Kuya, only near. Here. No. There? Which one? This one. That one. Yala. Go. Mano, maluwag. Kuya, share na kayo, Isa-isa lang, Che. Bye na lang ulit. Maluwag eh. Tutukan. Share ulit kayo, Wait mo muna si Mason. Bigyan mo siya ng 4. Give it, kuya, 4. Apat. Nakukulog. One by one para nabibigyan ko kayo. Kuya, about the other side?
Ay, ito yung sa akin. Alam ko yung sa akin.
Sige, get na. Kuya, wait, Kuya Choco. Dali na, gugo na tayo. Alis na tayo. Wait, Kuya Choco, and then I will take your photo, ha? And, Kuya Mawis, Kuya Mason's turn. Wait.
Sabihin ko na sa inyo, pwede po namin sabihin yung schedule kahit hindi ko nire-refund.
No. This one. It's okay, that one. It's okay.
Mine!
Kuya Chukog naman.
Opo, tita. Naglalaro po sila eh.
I'm gonna give it to Maui.
Oo, talog po.
Yeah, that's sad. Okay. Last attempt, Kuya Chukog.
Ako.
No more last. So we can go na. You have more. We have one, Mason, next Mason. You wanna give it to Maui. Okay na, naka 100 na sila.
100 pesos?
Oo. Sa Japan marami niyan. Pachinko, Maluwag! That's sad.
Gani yan?
umuulan.
Ulan-ulan kaya ata.
Ako sana wag umulan.
Madagin.
May 7-Eleven din pala dito. Mag-book na ba tayo? Ah, mabigat ang door.
Door nila.
Opo. Mami, dito ba tayo dumang kanina? Ah, sa iba. Oh.